Hello my friends, I'm making yogurt from soy milk. Here is my organic soy milk, unsweetened. Organic means non-GMO. This is from a US company called Trader Joe's. It has 3 grams of fat, 80 calories in 1 cup, no cholesterol, dietary fiber is 4 grams, and you might know that there's no fiber in any other kind of milk, but this is great. Protein is 9 grams. Vitamin D, there's nothing. But calcium is 40 milligrams. Then iron, there's no iron here. Potassium is 440 milligrams. Bit high if you're concerned about that. Seed, it only has 2 ingredients, water and whole organic soybeans. But anyway, so to make my yogurt, I have heated up my milk, little hotter than lukewarm. Here's my starter. I added the milk to my starter jar. I'm going to stir it thoroughly. Scrape all the yogurt there on the sides. And then I'm going to set it on the counter, leave it for overnight, and it should be done by the morning time. Okay, and I will show you the finished product tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, my friends. It's morning time now in Hira's kitchen. Here's my finished yogurt. As you can see, it's set really well. I had kept it covered like this all night. I want to show you how thick it is. Sorry, my hand is shaking because I'm holding my phone with one hand. You can see. It's looking pretty good. It tastes pretty good also. You can make raita with it. You can make kadhi with it, which is an Indian dish. You can probably eat it as little dessert by adding small amount of brown sugar or date sugar. Okay, so here is the yogurt. That's what a lot of plant-based people miss. They said, how am I going to eat my favorite dishes? Okay. You can make yogurt in a similar fashion with peanuts by soaking them and going through all the process. I don't have all the steps right now, but I can make another video. I've heard that you can make yogurt with chickpeas also. So that would be the best, I think, because then you won't have any fat at all. So I'm going to try it one day and see how it works. Bye bye now.